yang energy is active between 12 in the night till 12 in the middle day. And after 12, start to be active in energy. That's why you have a morning, and let's first prepare yang energy. And squeeze and twist any of other fingers. One hand first, and then another hand. Ways. One way is with and move. And twist and move back. Okay, something interesting today as well. And if you can to be on your knee, that'd be great as well. We help another part of the body too. Oh, we have to think and work holistically for entire body. Of course, we concentrate on one and another area. Well, those three organs, pericardium, heart, and lungs. And of course, we're not only stretching the meridians, we're stretching our tendons, our muscle, our skin, our fascia, vessels, nerve, anything. We have to combine the result of thousands of years medicine and to what our medicine is looking about, I said, careful. And if we extend our tendons 1 inch, and yeah, okay. Yeah, before we do once again, the thumbs and showing feet try. It's but you have to be careful. Problems. I would do what people have in the world. Minimum 95% I will manage with. If I can manage, anyone can manage with his difficulties, problems, or whatever you want to say, or illnesses, because the illnesses are not the reason. They are not. Yeah, they are not the cause. The cause are our blockages, our stiffness, and emotional condition. This is the cause of our problems. Yeah. Stress. Yeah. Okay, let's go with another knee. Or yeah. Another knee. Now I'm doing with the left knee over the fingers. Fingers or wrist. Yeah. Or we can go with them a little bit outside with fingers or inside. Always we have some challenges, and if we work with challenges, it's going to, and of course daily, very important, we can have a day by day better and better result. Let's go a little bit to relax. Yeah, stop it. Yeah. 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 Okay, and we're going to work tapping. You have both and to prepare. And I will put I think I have to put the lamps just a moment just to see better. 1 second. So far, you are well. And let's try to feel the sensation from another hand. Stretching to where we have tightness, where we have pain, and those areas we have the circulation. Like, so important to stretch and move the tissue or smash a little. There is no construction.
feels so much here. It feels so good.
Yeah, you go with the little finger, another hand with the fist, and go directly there and feel how it is. From the wrist.
Amazing feeling.
To the elbow. Yeah. We will do that in a both hands. From one and another side. And if you feel somewhere pain, that's mean if you're not directly where the pain is now, you have to remember and to repeat again because the pain means blockages. And if it's blockages, then the lymphatic system is working well, blood vessels not working well,
exactly.
The function of nerves on the muscles not working well. Then this also, that's why it's very important to neutralize pain. How we can neutralize pain? If you work and work, and the pain getting less, we go a little bit harder as much as we can, and if the pain is getting less or disappear, we did one area very well.
Yes.
This is difficult to learn for people who are not in the school age because we've been educated in a so different way. We've been educated to rely on it's 3 or 5% of the external world to find anywhere anything. But this potential ability will have a great way and we will going to solve easily so many issues and we will grow in this connection like body, spirit and soul, heart in a good way because we cannot disconnect those three stuff. The best is to work for them in connection. Okay. Let's say you find the area and you have to work for this area.
Exactly.
And we go with another.
Everyone should find individual their area. That's why it's good to clap slowly, so that way you kind of scan your body. And then let's say you might say, oh, here I have more pain. Or this is where you should continue working, okay? That means there is a blockage.
To challenge ourselves to grow. You see people, how they are final in their life journey. It's very important to understand that. And to understand that we are going on this journey as well.
Exactly.
And if we want to be in a good condition till the end of this journey, of course, daily exercise is very important. Okay, we do also with both hands as well, like this.
Yes.
So many options we have, so many combinations, and even if we work from elbow to the finger or area, we can work as well. Even I give you some more ideas. You see, I'll show you later. If we cross, it's a little bit complicated like this, but if we cross the edge of the bones, we can do with our fist as well.
You know that you feel energy, you feel heat coming. Everything is opening. That's incredible.
Of course, we're helping the king now. We are playing with the first and the second, with the thumb and the point finger, and we work now for lung and large intestine. At the same time, digestion, and yeah, breathing, and because during the breathing, through the breathing, we are connected with this prana, this endless energy from the air we are breathing. Okay, And now we're going for this edge, because the edge is the area between yin and yang, because see the back of our hands is the hair. Yin is not hair. That means this is border between them. And now we can put somewhere and work with the fist over the ball in the edge. This is something different, and we invented this way to work. Work with the bones. Why is so important? Because we activate producing of our body of the stem cell. We will not need any replacement of the stem cells. We can produce and we can activate in a better quality if we work on our bones. I mean, bones on our hands, bones on our legs.
You know, I always say to my clients, just recently had someone who broke the leg. I said, you need to work on circulation, because that's what really heals. Our bones are not chicken bones. They're not gonna break like chicken bone. They are more movement. So if you work, you create circulation, especially for the older people. It's very important, young and older, but yeah.
Yes, for anyone, bring the circulation. Is task number one. Okay. You feel now connection. You know that you're working with the pain, and this is important number one, because you see we work with this. We work with love. We will not work with hate. That's why we do consciously concentrated directly on the edge. You see, I'm working with the shoulder. Right hand, work with the shoulder. I'm not working from the wrist. I'm not working from the elbow. I'm working from the shoulder.
Ooh.
And that's why I'm not getting tired, of course. And how you can charge the energy? It's you can charge. You cannot from the cable. You're a producer of energy, and to charge the energy, this is the way. Combination of activity and combination of recovery. That's the key of the balancing our life journey. Let's go for another one. Work there. Today you see we concentrate more tapping, but to understand this work with the pain, and it's the same with the stretching. It's the same with the pressing the tissue. And it's but it's not for two simple people, my friends. Always, and I repeat that very often, because today you see how the universe is created. The universe is not created complicated, but because we are too scientific, too educated, and we make our journey more complicated. And balance, you see, we work with ourselves, and of course, helping each other is great. And if we work in the same frequency, like I'm doing 1 hertz or 1.5, like heart beating, this is very relaxing. This is very recovering. This is opposite of the stress.
Absolutely.
Yeah, also, we can do combination. You hard with love. We can work like this with edge. This is also possible. One hand over another. Fist over elbow, an entire part of the area from elbow to the fingers. We move fast, we articulation, and at the same time we meditate, we concentrate on what we are doing because we're not thinking for so many things, because work with pain and working with pain does not allow us to link our thinking for other stuff.
The best is to close eyes. I feel always if you close your eyes, you open your heart, like you always say.
Yes, it's very important. Close the eyes, feel the breathing, how you breathe in, how you breathe out. And now we start cardio. And you see, we can do it like this as well. If we are creative, we can create so many options to help ourselves and to bring this to any person, any family, old, young, like you and help person, anyone need this, and then you will see that yourself in direction.
Even my cat comes to get clapped.
Very good. Very
My sweet
again, and again, right or left, work in the middle.
I know.
Okay. Okay. Let's do some whatever you want. I will continue.
I think we've done enough. I think that's we should.
Let's do 1 or 2 minutes to do a little bit more with the massage of this part of the hands.
Okay.
Where the trimmer.
Okay, let's do it.
We go again with our knee. Be careful. Always be careful. Try again. And go with here and do massage yourself and go deep as much as you can. You see, my left knee is over my right hand. And anytime, okay, try it please. Move the tissue. And we will continue next time further.
It's very good.
Delicious. On the finger, on one hand, a bit more relaxing as well. On the thumb, well. And again, wrist to the elbow. Edge. Yeah, another edge as well. Okay, let's work with another one. Yeah, put the knee in this. Go up. Okay. Good. Well, good Hava. We say to everyone, all the best.
Yep, we say to everyone all the best. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will have another session this week, hopefully. I will update.